Hey, I bet you didn't know this, but now you know Gwinnett is considered the national benchmark community. We have a recap of this year's Board of Commissioners Strategic Planning Session. Plus, Chairwoman Nicole Love Hendrickson visits the E911 Center for a special thank you to our first responders and operators. And we're celebrating the newly constructed Sensory Treehouse. Those stories and more in this edition of Eye on Gwinnett. Hi there, folks. I'm Deborah Tuff. We're kicking off with a recap of the 2024 Gwinnett County Board of Commissioners Strategic Planning Session. Now, this year's session, held in Athens, focused on Gwinnett's vibrant and growing population and highlighted the current state of affordable housing, workforce development, health and human services, and the operational performance assessment with county leadership. Take a listen.
I feel like these sessions are very meaningful because it gives us an opportunity to reflect on all of the accomplishments, not only in the last 12 months, but really over the past few years, and to see where we started, which was in a pandemic, to now. I can confidently say that we've achieved so much to ensure that our community truly is the place where people thrive.
With the amount of growth we're coming, that we grow smart. And so I was able to talk to the board about things that we've done over the last year to grow smart, and then how we can advance those efforts even further to make sure that we have good quality development decisions over the next 20 years.
And on a personal note, I was in attendance at this year's strategic session, and I had the absolute pleasure and honor of presenting findings from the operational performance assessment to the Board of Commissioners, the County Administrator's Office, and directors within the county or across the county. And it was really cool. For more information on the operational performance assessment, go to gwinnettcounty.com/OPA. All right, moving on to other news. Those who work in 911 centers nationwide are often called the first responders. Now, the 911 operators answer many calls from traffic accidents to medical issues and shoplifting to assault, crimes, and more, just to name a few. Chairwoman Nicole Love Hendrickson recently visited Gwinnett's E911 Center to offer a very special thank you. This is what she had to say.
And thank you for your commitment to stepping up and serving in this role. It's so important, everything that you all do each and every day. You are the doorway, truly, to Gwinnett County. And I want to say how much I appreciate you all for doing the work that you do.
And to see those folks there in person and to see them honing their craft and really dedicated to their job was an amazing thing to witness. In other news, this next story is for high school students in Gwinnett who want to get involved with their community right here in Gwinnett County government. The application for the Gwinnett Youth Commission ends April 5th, right around the corner. Don't procrastinate. This opportunity allows students to go behind the scenes with government leaders for 7 weeks and formally become inducted as a Gwinnett Youth Commissioner. Salute to you, whoever going to get it. So if you're still not convinced, Joki Yaboa now works in Gwinnett County as a member of our community outreach team, but it wasn't always like that. Joki was a Gwinnett Youth Commissioner. Here's a little bit of what she has to say about that experience. Joki?
Well, GYC is a program for any high school student right here in the county who wants to become more involved in their community. And if you're passionate about a problem that teens are facing right here in our county, then you want to join GYC. You're able to learn the public speaking skills that you need to present your problem and propose a solution to the Board of Commissioners and department directors. So check us out.
If you have any questions or you need more info, just go ahead and go to that email on your screen, outreach@gwinnettcounty.com. Reach out and you'll get your questions answered right away. Hey, question. Have you registered to vote? The voter registration deadline for the general primary and nonpartisan general election is April 22nd. You can visit that website on your screen. That's mvp.sos.ga.gov. Again, that's mvp.sos.ga.gov to check your registration status, download a registration application, and locate your polling place and more. For our Spanish-speaking audience, here is Lauren Diaz from our Communications Department.
¿Te has inscrito para votar? La fecha límite para la inscripción de votantes de las elecciones primarias generales y elecciones generales no partidistas es el 22 de abril. Visita mvp.sos.ga.gov para verificar el estado de tu inscripción electoral, descargar una solicitud de inscripción, ubicar tu lugar de votación y más.
All right, thank you so much, Lauren, stopping in the Ion Gwinnett studio. Shout out. Hey, are you social? Follow us at Gwinnett Gov on Facebook, X, and Instagram for more county news. You can also find our programming anytime, anywhere, 24/7 on demand at tvgwinnett.com. Now, before we go, we want to shine a spotlight on the team at the Sensory Treehouse. Whoop, whoop, whoop. The county cut the ribbon on the newly constructed Sensory Treehouse and unveiled the recently updated Blue Planet film. Look out for our full coverage on an upcoming episode of Go Gwinnett with reporter Rachel Sanders. I'm Deborah Tuff. Always a pleasure. See you next time.